Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to record audit responses, scoring each question on an audit one by one, so every inspection ends with a complete, measurable result. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Audit Inspection and click it to open the Audit Inspection dropdown. Now select Audit Responses to view the responses logged against your audits. This opens the area where you record and oversee each response. Click here to begin a new audit response. A short form opens with the fields you'll need: an audit, a question, a score, and a description. First, choose the audit you're scoring, then the question you're answering. Notice the question field stays locked until you've picked an audit. Once you have, it lists that audit's questions. Each response covers one question, so you'll select the specific one you're scoring now. Next, in the score field, enter a value between 0 and 10 to rate compliance on that question. This number is what turns the inspection into a measurable result. Then, in the description field, add any supporting notes, the evidence or reasoning behind the score. A short note here makes the result easy to justify later. Now click Create to save it. That question is scored and logged against the audit. Here's the key thing. An audit isn't complete until every question has a response. So come back and repeat these steps for each remaining question on the audit, scoring them one at a time. Once they're all in, the inspection gives you a full picture of where the site stands. And that's a wrap on audit responses. You've just learned how to score each question on an audit and build a complete inspection result. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your audit inspection system.